Are you tired of feeling sluggish, bloated, and just not at your best? What if I told you that you could flush out all those toxic feelings and start feeling amazing in just 24 hours using some superfoods you may already have in your kitchen? If that sounds too good to be true, stick with me because it's not. We're going to reveal 9 superfoods that you can use to detoxify your body in just 24 hours. Yes, you heard that right, just one day. And no, we're not talking about some magic pills or expensive supplements. So, are you ready to kick those toxins to the curb and give your health a major boost? Let's dive right in. But first, subscribe our channel for more health-related content. Number 1, grapefruit. Let's talk about an amazing juicy trick that could completely revitalize your diet. No need for drastic overhauls. We're talking about the vibrant and refreshing grapefruit. Have you ever thought about the power of a half grapefruit before your meals? No, really, it's a game changer. This simple tactic could potentially help you shave off up to an inch around your waist in just 6 weeks. Sounds unbelievable, right? But this isn't just hearsay. It's backed by a study published in the journal, Metabolism. The secret? Grapefruit's powerful fat-melting phytochemicals that work tirelessly to cut down the flab. But let's not forget, as powerful as it is, grapefruit might not get along with certain medications. So before you make this citrusy delight a premium ritual, do have a chat with your doctor. Number 2, hibiscus tea. Ever found your pants feeling just a tad too snug after sipping on delicious soups? Don't panic. That doesn't necessarily mean you've put on weight. More often than not, that stubborn belly bloat is the result of all the salty broths you've been enjoying. Here's the science behind it. When you consume a high amount of sodium, your body decides to hold on to fluids, leading to that frustrating bloated belly. But don't worry, we've got just the trick to make your midsection feel light and comfortable again. Meet hibiscus tea, your new best friend. Now, this isn't just any tea, it's a natural bloat-busting miracle in a cup. The secret lies in the hibiscus plant's flavonoids, which are known to counteract bloating. How does it work? These flavonoids influence the hormone aldosterone, the body's fluid and electrolyte regulator. According to a study in the Indian Journal of Pharmacology, and the result? Your belly deflates, leaving you feeling comfortable and lighter. Number 3, asparagus. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about asparagus? Well, according to a study published in the Journal of Food Science, asparagus is packed with amino acids and minerals that can not only alleviate hangover symptoms but also protect your liver cells against toxins. Sounds like a win-win, right? But that's not all. Asparagus is also a natural diuretic. That means it will help your body flush out the excess toxins faster, helping you recover quicker and feel better sooner. Number 4, spinach. Got cravings that just won't quit? Let's shine a light on an unsung hero in your pantry, the mighty spinach. This vibrant green veggie has a secret weapon against those pesky hunger pangs. The secret lies within the spinach's membranes, where a potent compound called thylakoids resides. So, what's the deal with these thylakoids? According to a study published in the journal, Appetite, these little wonders naturally suppress your appetite, helping you stay satiated for longer. This means you can feel full without the worry of expanding your waistline. But wait, there's more. Spinach is incredibly low in calories, making it a guilt-free addition to any meal. How about blending some into your breakfast smoothie for a nutritious kickstart to your day? Or maybe adding a handful to your morning omelet for an extra health boost. You could even layer it onto your lunchtime sandwich for a fulfilling, nutrient-packed meal. Number 5, kiwi. Are sluggish bowels or chronic constipation causing you tummy troubles, leaving you with an uncomfortable, bloated belly? If so, we've got a sweet, delicious solution for you, the vibrant kiwi. You might have already heard about fiber's role in easing digestive issues, but did you know that not all fiber sources are created equal? Enter kiwi, a nutrient-packed superstar that's especially effective at keeping your digestive system running smoothly. In fact, a study conducted by Taiwanese researchers found some pretty impressive results. Patients with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, who ate 2 kiwis per day for a month experienced less constipation and saw a general improvement in their IBS symptoms compared to those who didn't incorporate this wonder fruit into their diets. But how to enjoy this digestive wonder? It's easy and delicious. You can add kiwi to your morning oatmeal for a sweet, tangy twist. Or how about blending it into your favorite smoothie for an added nutrient boost? And let's not forget about combining it with other fruits to create a light, refreshing salad. Number 6. Blackberries. Let's talk about a small fruit with big benefits, the luscious, antioxidant-rich blackberries. Did you know that just 1 cup of these juicy berries packs in an impressive 7.6 grams of fiber? That's some serious fiber firepower. But the benefits of these dark and juicy gems go even further. When you combine blackberries with a healthy diet, they trigger your gut to produce butyrate, a fatty acid that acts like a stealthy ninja against fat, causing inflammation in your body. But wait, there's more. In a Canadian study, researchers discovered an interesting fact. Those whose diets were rich in insoluble fiber had higher levels of ghrelin. That is the hormone in charge of controlling hunger. And guess what? Blackberries are packed with this type of fiber. Looking for delicious ways to incorporate these powerful berries into your diet? Consider whipping up some overnight oats, a proven and delicious weight loss recipe. Imagine waking up to a ready-to-eat, nutrient-packed breakfast that helps you shed pounds easily. Sounds like a dream come true, right? Number 7. Cocoa powder. Attention all chocolate lovers. What if I told you there's a way to satisfy your chocolate cravings while also tackling that pesky bloat? All while adding a healthy dose of fiber to your diet? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Let's introduce you to the magical world of cocoa powder. Cocoa powder, the pure, unprocessed form of chocolate, is an undercover superhero in the quest for a healthy, bloat-free life. This decadent powder can help you combat bloating while also sneaking more fiber into your diet. And let's not forget about its most delicious benefit, satisfying your deepest chocolate cravings. So don't just consider cocoa powder as a treat. See it as your delicious, chocolatey partner in your health and wellness journey. With cocoa powder, you can have your chocolate and eat it too, all while saying goodbye to bloating. Number 8. Bananas. It's time to call in the big guns. Meet your secret weapon against bloat, bananas. That's right, these simple yellow fruits are full of surprises and are about to become your favorite pre-meal snack. Now, you might be asking, what makes bananas so special? Well, hold on to your hats because you're in for a treat. Eating bananas twice a day before meals could cut your belly bloat by a whopping 50%, according to research published in the journal, Annals of Robe. Sounds like magic, right? But how do bananas work their anti-bloating magic? It's all thanks to 2 unique superpowers. First, they help increase the bloat-fighting bacteria in your stomach, helping to keep everything running smoothly. Second, they're packed with potassium, a superstar mineral that helps minimize water retention, effectively deflating that bloated belly. Number 9. Mustard. Get ready to rediscover a secret weapon that's been hiding in plain sight, probably in your refrigerator right now. We're talking about mustard. Yes, that common, tangy spread that's far more powerful than you've ever imagined. The incredible thing about mustard is its remarkable metabolism-boosting properties. It might sound incredible, but just 1 tiny teaspoon of mustard, costing you only 5 calories, can turbocharge your metabolism by up to 25% for several hours. This exciting tidbit comes straight from the scientists at England's Oxford Polytechnic Institute. So how can you make the most of this tangy marvel? Simple, smear some mustard onto a turkey sandwich for a flavorful kick, brush a bit onto a fish fillet before baking for an unexpected twist, or even use it as a unique meat marinade. But before we wrap up, we want to hear from you. Which of these superfoods will you be adding to your meals? Do you have any detox recipes or tips to share? Remember, we're a community here, and your insights could be just what someone else needs to kickstart their health journey. So go ahead and drop us a comment below. And if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps us out and lets us know to keep creating content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.